there everyone, my name is Leon, welcome to another video. I make content every single day focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if you are interested, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on. So in today's video, I'm basically going to be showing you how to create video advertisements with InVideo. So without further ado, allow me to jump into it. Okay everybody, so this is InVideo.io and this is the interface you're greeted with when you first click on it. So as you can see, I'm out with a huge list of templates you can use, well, pre-made templates. And when you basically go to one of them and basically make it hover over, it actually does a little shows a little preview of what you can expect in the actual pre-made template. So I'm just going to go for something like this. Let's have a look. Yeah, 7 seconds is enough. Let's go for this. So I'm just going to click on that. I can't remember what it actually said. I just let it load up, basically. Okay, so the template is actually loaded up. So let's just edit the text, shall we? I'm just going to make up a name for this. So the Super Watch. If that's the case, that doesn't sound cliche, does it? Well, actually, I don't even know if it does. Anyway, so there we are. The Super Watch. I'm fucking terrible. So let's just play through it now and, you know. Right. Oh, God. Right, so let's just edit that to that. With the super... That's not what I was meant to spell. The super tracker. Don't ask. What? Yeah, now then. Let's have a look at what we got now. What I want to do is I also want to add a bit of a filling a little bit. So I want to add a bit of, I don't know, I want to add a bit of a filling to that. Maybe what I want to do is I want to also highlight some of the keywords as well in this. So add a bit of a filling to that, little pasty. Might be able to do something with this. Right, well, actually, what I want to do now is add a arrow. Not gonna lie, that looks pretty nice. That looks very nice actually. So just play through it again. Let's see what happens we got now. Your super... Oh Jesus, not again. Track your super activity levels all day. Again, I wish I could. I wish I didn't have to skim through it, dodge. I just go like drag through it. 6 different. I'll add a bit of colour to that one. Fitness, not super tracker. No, super tracker, there we are. Super tracker, I'll do it. 40% off. There we are. Buy now at super tracker. There we are. Looking a little nice there. Because I unfortunately cannot play it, what I'm going to do now is just download and share. And as you can see, they have got a subscription sort of system going on as well. So you can upgrade for $15 a month. Yeah, let's just go to download and share. And as you can see, you have between two options, 720 and 20p or 1080p, which you have to upgrade for. But we're going to go for 720p and click export. Yeah, so it's just what is it? Exporting now, so I'll come back when this is actually fully rendered. Okay everyone, so rendering is basically finished and let's have a look at what we've basically created. Fucking phenomenal. And that essentially is how you create video advertisements with InVideo.io. If this video was valuable to you, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on for more videos. Leave a thumbs up and share the video around to boost its search rankings and help the channel grow much bigger. And leave any questions or feedback in the comments section or message me via Instagram, Snapchat or Twitter. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care everybody.